Have you ever felt like no matter how much you earn, your bank balance somehow disappears before the month even ends? You're not alone. Meet Ryan, an average 9-to-5 guy who earns a decent $5,000 a month. Yet, by the 25th, he's already swiping credit cards waiting for the next paycheck. He thinks he's managing money well, pays bills on time, saves a little, and occasionally invests. But deep down, he knows something's missing, something that the financially successful people do quietly, every single month. Let me ask you, do you really know what happens to your money after it enters your account? Or does it just vanish into a mix of EMIs, subscriptions, and "I deserve this" purchases? Think about it. What if your paycheck could quietly multiply behind the scenes, without you working extra hours or taking risky investments? Here's the truth. Most people make the same 3 money mistakes every single month. They save randomly, spend emotionally, and invest occasionally. But the rich, they follow a system, a monthly rhythm, that compounds over time and builds invisible wealth. The real game is not earning more. It's learning how to direct what you already earn. So, if you've ever wondered, why do I earn more but still feel broke? Stay till the end. Because what I'm about to share isn't just about managing money. It's about mastering it. If you believe you're built for more, subscribe now. We're here to guide you with tools, strategies, and stories that actually make a difference. Get ready, because after this, you'll never look at your next paycheck the same way again. Number 1. The automatic transfer that builds freedom. Most people wait until the end of the month to save whatever's left, and that's exactly why nothing ever is. The first rule of financial maturity is simple. Pay yourself before you pay anyone else. Automation is the discipline that never sleeps. Set up an automatic transfer from your income account into a separate savings or investment account the day your paycheck arrives. Not when you feel ready, not when you think there's enough. The secret is to make the money invisible before temptation finds it. Even a modest $150 monthly transfer into a low-cost index fund or diversified ETF portfolio silently grows through compound returns. The beauty is not in the amount, but in the automation. You train your subconscious to expect less spending money, and your lifestyle adjusts automatically. It's a quiet psychological shift that builds financial independence faster than any budgeting app ever could. The ones who automate first win first. The ones who wait always feel behind. Number 2. The personal audit that exposes hidden leaks. Every fortune has enemies. The most dangerous ones live inside your wallet, the forgotten subscriptions, the lazy renewals, the micro spends that hide behind convenience. A simple monthly audit can feel uncomfortable but will transform how you see your money. Review every statement with the curiosity of a detective. Where is your money escaping unnoticed? That unused gym membership, that forgotten app, that comfort food delivery routine. Those are not expenses, they're silent thieves. Eliminate what doesn't add value and redirect those dollars toward investment accounts or a high-yield savings fund. A person who reclaims just $80 a month adds nearly $1,000 a year to their financial engine. The numbers aren't small, the discipline is rare. Most people protect their passwords better than their cash flow. True financial awareness is not about earning millions. It's about ensuring every dollar has a purpose. And once you control your leaks, you'll start controlling your direction. Number 3. The opportunity scan that multiplies growth. The average person reacts to opportunities. The wealthy design a habit of searching for them. Once a month, dedicate 1 hour to exploring the financial landscape, new dividend stocks, index fund shifts, real estate price dips, or changes in tax-efficient investment laws. You're not trying to predict markets. You're training your brain to stay financially alert. The economy rewards the observer, not the passenger. Those who noticed early trends in tech ETFs, renewable energy, or digital real estate didn't just get lucky. They were scanning when others were scrolling. The secret is to make opportunity awareness a lifestyle. Markets whisper before they roar. Learn to listen monthly and you'll never again say, "I wish I'd started sooner," because you'll already be ahead of those who only notice success when it's too late to join. Number 4. The debt reversal habit that restores ownership. Debt isn't just a number, it's rented peace of mind. Every month, most people feed their debt. Interest payments, minimum dues, borrowed comfort. What if instead you attacked it with surgical focus? List every loan, rate, and due date. Choose one, the smallest or the most expensive, and add even a small extra payment. Progress compounds emotionally before it compounds financially. This is not about becoming debt-free overnight. It's about reversing momentum. Every month you pay more than the minimum, you reclaim a little more freedom from the future. Debt shrinks faster when your attitude toward it changes from avoidance to aggression. The average credit card user pays thousands yearly in interest they could have invested. Don't let borrowed money dictate your destiny. A small, consistent overpayment is your declaration of independence from financial slavery. Number 5. The wealth reflection ritual that builds awareness. Money is emotional. Most people avoid checking their accounts because it reminds them of what's missing. That's exactly why you must. Once a month, sit down and review your entire financial reality: net worth, portfolio value, debt, cash reserves, and credit score. Not to judge, but to understand. Numbers are feedback. They tell stories about behavior. Without awareness, progress is just luck. Wealthy individuals romanticize this ritual. They celebrate growth, analyze losses, and adjust strategy. It's not about spreadsheets, it's about consciousness. When you track your numbers, you build a relationship with money. You learn its language. You start noticing patterns between effort, mindset, and outcomes. One day you'll realize that what used to feel intimidating now feels empowering. That's how financial anxiety transforms into financial control, one intentional check-in at a time. Number 6. The health investment that protects earning power. Your body is your first business. Treat it like a failing company and every other goal collapse. Wealth means nothing without health to enjoy it, yet people spend fortunes fixing what neglect created. Create a monthly health budget: gym membership, preventive checkup, meal prep, meditation, or sleep tracking. These are not expenses. They are insurance for productivity. A healthy mind makes better investment decisions, resists emotional spending, and sustains consistency, the core ingredient of compounding. When your energy is optimized, your ambition expands naturally. A fatigued brain can't think long-term. A healthy one builds empires. Every dollar you invest in physical and mental wellness yields returns in focus, creativity, and endurance. The richest people are not those who own the most assets, but those who can still enjoy their mornings decades later. Protect your machine, and your money will follow. Number 7. The minimalism reset that builds discipline. Once a month, practice deliberate simplicity. No luxury purchases, no impulsive orders, no unnecessary consumption. A 24-hour reset where you remind yourself that comfort does not require spending. Modern society programs us to equate happiness with buying. True wealth is knowing you can live well with less. This monthly reset rewires your relationship with money and desire. During this time, find joy in what you already own. Cook at home, walk instead of ride, use creativity instead of consumption. You'll be surprised how much peace simplicity brings. Financial freedom is not about affording everything. It's about needing nothing external to feel content. This discipline prepares you for bigger wealth because you no longer chase validation through possessions. You begin to realize, when spending loses its emotional power, money finally obeys you. Minimalism isn't rejection, it's control disguised as calm. Number 8. The future vision session that directs momentum. Money follows clarity. Most people work hard with no defined destination. Once a month, project yourself 5 years ahead. Picture the net worth you aim for, the lifestyle you desire, the monthly passive income your portfolio generates, the capital you've grown through compounding. Write it down, see it clearly. Your subconscious requires instruction. Without it, it builds nothing. When you imagine your ideal financial state, your daily decisions start aligning automatically. You stop random spending because you've seen your future balance sheet. Visualization is not fantasy, it's strategy. Every empire begins as a mental picture long before it becomes reality. Those who consistently define their next level tend to reach it because clarity beats intensity. A wandering financial journey creates wandering results. Direct your imagination monthly, and reality starts catching up faster than you think. The truth about money is that it rewards rhythm, not luck. Monthly habits beat occasional motivation. You don't need a bigger paycheck, you need a smarter plan. The wealthy build automated systems that work quietly while they sleep. The poor rely on motivation that disappears by Tuesday. If you've ever felt like wealth is out of reach, understand this. It's not your income, it's your inaction. In every video, I try to discuss and address the factors that surely improve the chances of your success. If you'd like the video support the channel, leave a like and subscribe. It takes less than a second and helps the channel a lot. We have plenty of inspiring content coming your way. And share the wealthy knowledge to your loved ones. Now, if you really want to level up, don't miss this next video. Let's continue there.